Today we are going to make some basic jig skirts. With some stuff you probably already have, you can make some easy and cheap fishing tackle, and I'll show you how. To get started, you will need super glue, double-sided tape, fine needle tweezers, fishing jig, sewing yard, and skirt materials. First step is to lay down a strip of tape, about 4 to 6 inches long. You know if this is too short or too long after you make your first skirt. Grab something to hold down both sides while you lay down your skirt material. Peel the paper off one side of the tape and start placing your skirt materials on the tape. It is okay to leave these long, you can cut them later. The skirt materials can be anything laying around the house that is non-paper, something that won't fall apart in water. Curling ribbon, Christmas mesh decorations, string, yarn, ribbon, you get the idea. To purchase fancier materials, search in your browser for flash tying materials. Flashabou, crystal flash, angel hair, mylar, etc. Move your tape holder as needed to add more skirting. Some considerations for selecting an ideal skirt material. It should be light and waterproof. It should be stiff but flexible. You want it to move and flutter, but you want it to stay somewhat consistent and straight. It should want to keep its shape somewhat. It should not hold water like a mop. Thick yarn that stays wet and gets heavy should be avoided. You can choose between solid and see-through materials or do a mix of materials like I am doing here. Now it's time to wrap it onto my lure. Unwrap the second sticky side of your double tape, add some super glue to the jig head, and wrap the tape around the jig. To finish it off, wrap some thread and add some more glue. Now that I have completed my first complete skirt, it is time to make some notes and do some adjustments. Time to trim your skirt. Figure out if your tape was too short or too long. See if your mix of skirting looks good. Next, we try our hand at another variation. And here we have the final product. Let me know what you think.